The man who fatally stabbed Adil Basharat with a broken golf club has been jailed for life. 20-year-old Adam Moore of Bridge Road, Cosgrove, will spend a minimum of 16 years behind bars for the murder of the teenager outside Kingsbrook School in Deanshanger in November. 3 co-accused were sentenced to 3 years for violent disorder but acquitted of the murder and manslaughter charges, with another man acquitted of a single charge. On Monday, police and Adil's family gave their reaction following the verdict.
The past few months have been the hardest few months of my life, and the lives of parents and family and all the people that loved and cared for Adil. It has been the hardest thing in the world to come to terms with the tragic fact that I'll never see my brother grow into a man. I'll never see him go to university, become the accountant he wanted to, get married, have children of his own, and I'll never see him grow old. I think of him every minute of the day and take relief only from the few hours of sleep that I can manage to get during which sometimes, if I'm lucky, I forget what's happened to my family. It breaks my heart to think that my brother was so brutally attacked by 4 men who carried out a premeditated attack on a 16-year-old outside his school. They had armed themselves with weapons and attacked a defenceless boy. Adil was not in the wrong place at the wrong time. He was at school, he was on a break with his friends, just outside of school when he was attacked in broad daylight. He must have been so frightened. I always think, did Adil know that this was it? Did he know how badly he was injured? Did he know he wasn't going to make it? Adil's funeral took place the day we should have celebrated his life, on his 17th birthday. He had so much to live for, and I remembered how we celebrated when Adil got his GCSE results. He was studying for his A-levels and had such plans for his future. His life was cruelly taken away, and it does not matter how much time passes, Adil's loss will stay with us forever. We will miss him every minute of every day. We'll never understand how this has happened. These men that attacked Adil, they still have their lives. They will live, their families can still see them, and they still have a future. They will have the opportunity to get married, have their own family, and live their lives. For me and my family, we have been passed a sentence which is for life, a sentence that we will have to live every day of our lives.
Adil Basharat was a blameless young man whose life was taken as a result of unlawful violence in Deanshanger in November last year. Today I'm pleased with the sentences that have been handed down to those men who were involved in his death. It's perhaps a mark of the respect that Adil was held in that so many young witnesses were unwavering in their commitment to give evidence in this case. I hope that the sentences passed down today offer some form of closure for Adil's family and their tragic loss.